Sure, Donna. Can you hear me? I'm hoping you can all hear me, and apologize for Robert not locking in. He's having technical issues, but that was his plant. This is his storage before press. He still brings in some of the labels, but a lot of this has been eliminated. A lot of the inventory has been moved to in-house printing, which we'll see here in a minute. We'll move on to the printing part of it, kind of his printing plant. Here's our workstation. We call that the X800 workstation, where the operator not only controls the printing press, but also the incoming workflow. So he lines up his jobs each day. MKS has a 3300 press. It's a 13-inch wide press, so they one across. Artwork's laid out. Ideally for that press, we bring in the stock design for the width of the label, the height of the label, I should say. And he's able to print in line, finish. You'll see some splitting there where he does some trim, and then he winds up the finished roll. Because he's first a molder, then a printer, he makes his own. The primary process is making pails. Here you can see the resin injection molder. He has several machines and more on the way from what I understand. Produces a pail. That pail comes out warm, pretty warm, I think about 190 degrees Celsius out of the machine, and then is loaded directly into the heat transfer decorator. We pre-flame it, and with heat and pressure, we apply that directly to the pail in line, again with molding. I want you to take a look at the white. I'll talk about the opacity of our whites in a minute, but that's a single digital white on that pail. Those pails will then go down the line. They'll put a handle on it and insert it. This is just a small sampling, Robert tells me, of what they're doing. I believe they've got over 400 plus SKUs now because of the ability to print in-house and do the short runs. There's the folks. Robert there holding the pail to the right, and the team at MKS that makes this happen. It's been a great success story for not only for MKS but also for Xeikon. So I'm not sure if Robert was able to